Okay, so we're going to learn the series letter, which is a bit difficult. It's similar to the English e. Again, the long e, like eight, like, but well, again, it has not four forms, but instead it has seven forms. It is written like this. E, there are two dots. It has seven forms, so beginning form, front connecting form, middle connecting form, back connecting form, pause connecting, pause, back connecting, alone, alone, pause. So we'll give an example. It's difficult to give some example for it, but I'll try. The front, the beginning form, إيق, right? Yeah, إيق, إيق, it means bear. إيق, إيجز, إيجز, tall. And the front connecting, there is a window, there is a, or dehqan, we learned it means farmer. And middle connecting form, test, quick. For this one, front connect, back connecting. So okay, like, well, let's make up a word. For example, if someone's name is Ale, it should be written like this, or Ome, right? Doesn't mean anything of a word, but I'm just saying we can connect it like this. Me, like le, de, se, and pause, by connecting. It's just very problematic to find examples for that. Again, I'll just make up a word. For example, malit, malite. If it's someone's name is malite, then, or balite. It's connected this way. Right now, I just can't think of a word that has this kind of connection. A long form, which is very common. When we say be, me, de, or like re, because for be, me, se, le, use this, right? Because for the back connecting, for example, like me, re, re, right? But for like de, re, which can, like, or ze, you use a long form. And pause, a long form, I never seen an example. I think it's for how it's when it's alone. Well, one day if I find an example, I will come and edit this video, but right now I cannot find an example. I don't think there is example for that. Maybe there is. Let's see. Del, Yeah, it again it's become like this. Or dade. But then it has to write written like this, Well, the or maybe I don't know, like the it's not. I've never seen it, but anyway, um, again, so similar to this, we're gonna learn another one. It's exactly the same, like not exactly the same, but it's 31st letter. Um, pretty much like e in it, or visit e. Again, it has 7 forms. It's written like this. So just imagine e without these 2 dots. 7 forms. E, from beginning, beginning, from connecting, middle connecting, back connecting, pause, back connecting, alone form, pause, alone form. So ir, is, trace or trail is, um and it, dog. The front connecting from there's a lot, bilim, no, dil, dil, a heart, and zil, like, yeah, means, I think zil means careful, like, yeah, something like that. Not careful, like someone is very but yeah, like when someone is super timid, not careful. I don't know how to say this, the meaning. Okay, this middle connecting form, for this one, it's a lot, I think. Yıldız, root, two, yıldız, ee, so the both are middle connecting forms. Erkin, it means freedom or man's name. E, there's the middle connecting form, and back connecting form E. Eli, so le E, Millie, someone's things, or Kazi, not Kazi, yeah, Eri, someone's husband, right? Oh no, this Eri shouldn't be. Zali, it's like something's whole, like something, like E is sometimes used as a suffix, or some umektebi, mektep is school, right? Mektep. Then you say someone's, like his school, mektepi, yeah. Okay, pause, back connecting. Bilibli, I don't know. Billy E, if you say Billy E, or for example, let's make an E B, I don't know, E, I don't know if it has any meaning, but like that, like if I say a word, because Uyghur is a word, like it can be written, it's like written at how it sounds. So if I make a sound like E, that's how it's written. Like you can actually practically, literally can write anything that you say. It's, yeah, so that's why. Okay, so but the rules to connect, alone form, again, I said, like, Z, Z, right? Didi, someone said. Okay, alone, pause, alone form. Yeah, again, I told you I have no example for that. Maybe it's how it's represented by itself, like this one. Yeah, and one more. Yay, and then the class will be over. Okay, we'll be finishing this 32 letters. So the last one is yeah. Yeah, like in English, Y, and yellow, yuck. It's a little more breezy though, yeah. And like, yeah, it has 4 forms. I like this because I don't like 7 forms. It's hard to give example, and I've never used that kind of. Okay, 4 different forms: front connecting, middle connecting, back connecting, and alone form, which is very familiar for all of us. So front connecting, yas, summer, yak, no, right? And for this one, oh no, this should be like parallel, like horizontal, yeah. It should be like this. Sorry, I wrote it just like here, which is no. It should be parallel like this, yeah, like this. Okay, Turkey, Turkey, right? TU, so there's Turkey, the middle connecting. Billiard, table thing you play. Billiard, so there's middle connecting thing. Okay, so back connecting. Okay. Chai. No. Okay. Me. Okay, let's make up a word. Like sele, sele, Sally, yeah. And if it's a name, Mari, yeah. Like if Lee should be like this. Like well, like some if someone's name is like Lily, right? Lily, Lily, yeah, Lily. Someone's name's Lily. Okay. Well, the last one is the alone form has many examples, so it's easy. Toy, wedding, or also it means fed up, like full. Yeah, weddings or marriages make you fed up, I guess. Oi is like a thoughts. Oi pikir. Oi chai is tea. Yeah, that's it. That's the last one. And I, moon, right? E, u. Okay, so let's make see some examples. For example, home, öy. So it's ö and ye together. So it becomes öy. Sorry, it means home. Yeah, I connected it again. Sorry. Koy. So it's ke or ye. 3-letter, and it will take the beginning form. Back connect, front connecting. No, back connecting, and all, and all on form of ye. So koi. Yeah, I should write it like 2 dots, right? And 2 dots koi. So you see here, ke or yeah. They took this form and koi. I'm really tired. I'm sorry. I will give you more examples in another lesson. That's it. From beginning, so we finished 32 letters in Uyghur. The last one is yeah. This one, yeah. Side note, I told you like I like to write it like this. I like to connect the dots, or you can either connect it, or you can make like a little wave, like a tail, whichever you like, or you can still stick to separate, like write dots separately. It's up to you. Okay, thank you.